This beat ain't normal.
And they call you, you know the answer. I say make I call you some more. Yeah, you leave me no choice, so very soon I go appear for your demand. And you had that tight dress on when I saw you last night at the club. Even though I had my dark shades on, I was looking at you all night long. I'm in the middle of the street. How did I ever let you leave? Oh no, why did I drink this Hennessy?
Hi guys, so we got some unboxing to do. It's the Makeup Revolution London unboxing. Yeah, your girl got something from Makeup Revolution. So this is the box right here. Da-da-da-da-da. Who's ready? I'm so ready as I'm unboxing. Like, okay, let's see what we got in here. This is what the box look like. You are the revolution. It says you are the revolution. Affordable, cruelty-free beauty for everyone. You are the revolution. I am the revolution. Yeah. So in here, we got the Revolution Makeup London. Welcome to the Revolution, Tony. Yeah, I'm so excited. They wrote my name on it. Like, seriously? Huh? I'm blushing. I'm blushing. It says, you are the revolution, Tony. Open me for exclusive offer. I don't know. Wow. Alpha with you glow. Introducing the first glow face set. Yeah, I got something from the glow set. I got something from the skincare set. Get a free palette with next order. Use welcome code gift. Yeah, I have a gift code. So I'm going to be ordering soon. I'm loving this. Like, I love freebies. So I'm going to try it out. So after saying that, let's just put this aside and see what I got in my box. So in my Revolution box, I got this plumping lip gloss, Makeup Obsession pumping lip gloss. I got two, but I got to pay I got three, but I got to pay for the price of two. And going further after that, I got the So going further, I have the Revolution Makeup London Precision Brow Pencil in medium brown. And I also got the Brow Gel, Revolution Blow Gel with nourishing avocado oil. I can't wait to try all this product. Like a brow gel with avocado oil. It's gonna be that bomb. Like my next video, I'm gonna be using most of this product to see. So right here, right now, I got the Revolution Glow Molten Body Glow Face and Body Liquid Illuminator Glow Illuminator Liquid. Like, I'm in love with it and I can't wait to try it. And yes, it's a liquid face and body highlighter with coconut and pineapple fragrance. Wow, I love anything fruity. So being said that about that, the next session is my skincare session. I want to pamper myself, so I got me this Revolution London double-ended masking brush. All Revolution London products are vegan and cruelty-free. So let's open this surprise right here. Let's see what we got in the wrap. And I must tell you, the wrapping, the packaging is beautiful. I got the Revolution Cleansing Gel with blueberry and koji extracts, and I got the Revolution. So I got this face mask from Revolution Skincare London, the Jolly Jammy version. I'm so excited to share my face with you. The mince pie face mask. That sounds yummy. I can't wait to try it. And last but not the least, for today, I got the Revolution's Pink Clay Detoxifying Mask. It's an exfoliating mask. I have an oily skin, so I need something to detoxify and exfoliate. Mind you, once you have an oily skin, your go-to is anything that detox.
can want by the edge. I take a good question. I'm in the answer, yes, sir. Then I'm in the answer, yes, sir. Respect is reciprocal, even though I know say special. Anybody, we no one to search. Anybody, we not the carry body. I got something, I got something. Go back to fele, I got something. You want job where you never want, you know, because myself I never know. I look you, they laugh you. I shall no say, I go, I no say.